Okay, traders, just going to have a quick look at yesterday's trade signals, see how they turned out. This was our list. Put that into the I put that into Discord into the Asian session, and that was pretty much it for the day. This one I posted into a Discord, giving us the pairs that were strong and weak, and just go back over here and I'll show you the trades that I actually took. Okay, Euro Aussie was one of the trade ideas, nice outcome. Basically just running off the fact that this is trading in the green zone here. The higher time frames are bullish. London Open, we had a breakout and the signals were giving us a green go ahead. Okay, just run from the top and work our way down. Euro Kiwi. Now that was one, I ended up closing that one early into New York because I wasn't sure whether it was going to trade bearish or bullish, and I didn't want to stay up all night. As it was, it continued up, so that was quite nice. If you guys were trading this manually and held on to it, well done. Euro dollar, I closed this one into the New York session as well. Again, you never can tell whether it's going to turn around and trade in the opposite direction. So like I had a basket of trades open, and I just decided to close the entire basket. So, came out well ahead regardless. But yeah, I mean, the signals worked out quite well. You can see the indicators are giving us some really nice entries. Pound Aussie, every one of these was a winner. Again, this was one of the trades I took. These trades that I take go into Telegram for the trade copy. So you can automatically copy these onto your MT4 or MT5 pound dollar. And again, this was part of the basket of trades that I closed into the New York session, that white line there. Yeah, next one, New Zealand Swiss. This one I opened at the Asian Open off these red signals. It turned green and then red again. And yeah, the red signals started to kick in again here. I ended up closing this one at break even, given that we were heading into the Asian Open today and I didn't want to hang on to it in case it decided to head in the opposite direction. And the next one was the dollar Swissy, last but not least. So yeah, I mean, really nice outcome. This was part of the basket of trades, and I ended up closing that into the New York session again. Quite a profitable day. And if you haven't already, jump into Discord, guys. It's free. The link is below. And if you take up the 14-day trial, free trial, you gain access to daily mentorship. I'm about to do a daily mentorship video now, and I'm about to post my new trade ideas for today. By the way, I also copy and paste these. These are the trades that I actually take on my account that goes over to Telegram for the trade copy. And of course, you get that as well. So, if you're looking to manually trade, this is a great opportunity for you to take some of these ideas and run with it. So the link is on my website, anthonybourne.com. It's also up here. I've got to say, guys, there's absolutely nothing like this anywhere on the internet that exists today. I can guarantee it. Free trial for 14 days, and it's discounted at the moment. Shout me sushi lunch once a month, and you gain access to incredible value. I've been trading for over 20 years, and I feel like I have quite a lot to offer. My current members are enjoying the success that we're having. Okay, so with that, hope you have a great day, and look forward to seeing you in the next one.